Greetings, my name is Katie Newman and I will be teaching English 9 Honors this year. I'm looking forward to meeting you all. As of right now, it's Thursday morning, so I'll be meeting hopefully a fair number of you this afternoon as you embark upon your first year of high school. To let you know a little bit about me before we start our year together. This is my 7th year at Madison, but my 17th year teaching. I started in elementary school and then taught middle, and I've been in high school. Now I love Madison. It's a great community. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful high school experience here. I grew up in this area. I went to West Springfield High School and then UVA for both on my undergraduate and graduate degrees. And I live in Fairfax Station with my husband and 2 daughters. I have an 8th grader and a 9th grader at home. So it'll be a lot of 9th grade in the Newman world this year, a lot of 9th grade. So I'm excited about our year together. I will give more details, and for parents listening, I'll give more details at back to school night as well. But for just a little bit of an overview of the class, I do mastery learning in our class. Our whole English department does. So I won't get too much into the weeds of that right now, but essentially what it does is that it measures your growth over time. So if there is a skill that you're struggling with at the beginning of the year, but you are really flourishing with it, thriving in March, April, it's that March, April work that we focus on, and that's reflected in your overall grade in the course. So mastery learning really benefits students and the progress that you make over the course of the year. We have a lot of great books in store, a lot of writing. We have Jar of Death, which I'll tell you more about in class if you haven't. I know some of you who have older siblings may have heard about it. But I'm really excited about our year together. We're also in a new classroom, and we get new furniture in September at some point, I think. It'll be very exciting, I think. It'll be the end of September. We have a great window view. It's super classy in here. So I'm looking forward to meeting you all, and I'm looking forward to a great year.